Today's video is one of my favourites to film because I get to talk to you all about some small, slow fashion, ethical brands, a new brand discovery to me, and some new pieces in my collection as well. And so today I'm talking to you about a new Fauvette piece and some new in jewellery as well. If you don't know about Fauvette, you probably do if you've watched any of my content over the last few months, because I've been going on a lot about this brand because I am so in love with them. They are a small Parisian bag brand. Now, if you know anything about Fauvette, you know that they have a boutique in Paris where you can go and shop their bags in person. And that boutique was actually opened in collaboration with the jewellery brand Louise Damas. And they also collaborated on this leather jewellery wallet. So if you go into their boutique, you can not only shop Fauvette bags, you can shop Louise Damas jewellery and some other trinkets and bits and bobs as well. It looks like a gorgeous store. I would love to go one day once I'm back in Paris. But until then, I have some pieces here in my home to share with you. So as I was saying, this gorgeous leather wallet is available on both of their websites and in their store. It is a collaborative piece. Obviously, it's a leather jewelry pouch, match made in heaven between the two brands. And if you are looking for a luxurious heirloom piece, a way to store your jewelry, whether that's at home or if you're on the go, then I'm going to be showing you this, but I would highly recommend it. It is absolutely stunning in person. It is made from the same leather, this croc embossed cowhide leather. It comes in two different colors. I have the hazelnut one, but it also comes in a plum colorway as well, a slightly darker option, and it has this gorgeous clasp. This is very reminiscent of the clasps on the Fauvette bags. If you're familiar with them, one of my favorite things about Fauvette bags is that gorgeous unique clasp. It is 24 karat gilded gold as well, and so is this one. And this one also takes inspiration from some of the lines of jewelry from Louise Damas. So it's a really nice collaborative piece, a really nice addition to a gorgeous classic leather jewelry holder. So let me open up this and show you what it looks like inside, how you can use it to store your jewelry, and also some of the jewelry pieces that I have as well. I have to mention that the leather on this smells so good. It feels so high quality. It's almost like I almost want to go out with this in the evening because it's so beautiful. But if we open it up, you can see that it is a gorgeous, beautifully, really intentionally designed as well jewelry holder. So let me show you some of the ways you can use this to store your jewelry. So first off, on the left, we have these two tabs. This first one you primarily use to store rings, and these actually come off fully, as you can see. So when you're slotting your rings or your earrings on, it's super easy to do so. You can pull it off, you can play about with it, and then you can pop it back on and it's nice and secure. So I have two Louise Damas rings on here, which I will talk about in a second. This second tab is similar, but this is for earrings, so it has holes punched along it. It has 8 holes, so you can store up to 4 pairs of earrings, whether that's hoops like I have or stud earrings as well. And this also pops on and off for ease of use. And then underneath, you have this secret little pouch here, which you can use to store bulkier pieces. I have this beautiful hair clip, hair pin from Louise Damas. So they also do a couple of hair accessories in the gilded 24 karat gold as well. I will show you a clip of this in my hair because this is so beautiful, but I'm just storing that with my jewelry in this little pouch slot here. And then on the right, you have your space for necklaces, or I guess you could put bracelets here as well, but primarily for necklaces. So I have one necklace. I'm actually wearing the other one, so it's not in here at the moment, but I will show you what it looks like in the clips. But you have these 3 tabs. You could double stack your necklaces if you have more than 3. If you're traveling, you just want to bring a couple with you, then you have these tabs. You can open and close them with the poppers, really secure. And then obviously the necklaces and the pendants, anything that's on the end of the necklace, can be popped into this leather bit here. I have tried a few jewelry containers, jewelry travel pouches in my time, but nothing as luxurious and well made as this. This is truly a forever piece. I will have this forever. This will age so beautifully, and I just love how it looks. I love how special it makes traveling with my jewelry or keeping my jewelry at home. It really adds an element of, I don't know, luxury to the everyday. So I absolutely love this, but I do want to get into showing you the jewelry pieces now. So as I mentioned, the first necklace I'm actually wearing, and you may have spotted me wearing this in quite a few of my videos recently. I have not taken this off, and I will tell you why. It is slightly longer, the chain is slightly longer than some or a lot of my other necklaces, and there's something about this length that I just think is so elegant. I would describe this jewelry as like very Parisian vintage inspired. It is all very unique, it's all very thoughtfully designed, handcrafted. Louise designs all of the pieces herself. They make them in France, in Paris, and all of the materials they use are recycled. They use 100% recycled 24 karat gold in their pieces. They have some sterling silver as well. But yeah, this is just absolutely beautiful. I will show you a close-up. I love the floral design on it. I think it's so vintage. It is inherently Parisian, and I love that longer length. It makes it a little bit more statement. I don't even feel the need to layer this because I think it's so beautiful, and I love the tone of gold. It's like quite light yellow but lighter, very shiny, very beautiful, and I just adore how vintage it feels. It feels very special to me. And then I also have a really fun necklace for the summertime. I'm kind of waiting for summer holiday season until I wear this because it definitely has a very summery vibe to it, but it is absolutely stunning. It is this really unique, again, the design is so special. It's not like anything I've seen before. It is a pearl chain, but it has these kind of grey pewter pearls along with the traditional white creamy pearls, and then this gorgeous shell pendant, very organic molten gold shaped pendant on it. So this one is going to look absolutely stunning. Even with this dress in the summer on holiday, on a beach holiday, I think this is going to be so, so beautiful. I actually might switch out and show you what this one looks like as well. So this is the Gala pendant necklace. Look how stunning that is. So beautiful. It has the white and the blue-grey freshwater pearls and the seashell pendant on at the end, again in the 24 karat gilded yellow gold, recycled and RJC certified. So you can see this one sits a little bit higher up on the neck. It's not quite a choker, but it's definitely higher. It does have an adjustment chain though, so you can adjust it by about 5 centimeters if you want it slightly longer, slightly shorter. So those are the two necklaces that I wanted to show you, but I have so many more on my wish list now. I just adore the Parisian vibe, the vintage feel of them. They are all handmade, so all of the pieces are slightly unique. They aren't perfect. They might vary slightly in shape or color just because of the handmade nature, but that's what makes them feel so special. And they definitely have a very specific aesthetic. You can tell they're really kind of uniquely designed by Louise herself, because I've never come across a brand that has pieces quite like this before. Okay, I think I should put in some earrings next. I have 2 pairs of hoop earrings. The brand is very much known for their hoop. It's a bit of a signature item for them, and they do different designs and different iterations of the hoop earring each season. I love a hoop earring. I wear a hoop earring almost every day. It's like my go-to form of earring, so they are right up my street. These are the Esmeralda hoops. First of all, they are a twist. Gorgeous, like unique twist detail. So they're simple. They're a nice like medium size, not too much. You could definitely wear these every day, but equally if you were going out, I feel like they are special enough to add a little pop of something to your jewelry. If you were wearing like a really simple black dress, I feel like these would pair so nicely with that. The twist detail is so gorgeous. Again, it has that vintage flair to it that I absolutely love, and you can see they're just a nice size. They're like an everyday hoop, but they feel a little bit more elevated. Now the next pair of earrings are probably my favorite piece. I have definitely worn these in a few reels on Instagram if you follow me over there, because these are right up my street. You can probably tell if you're familiar with my style, what I like. You'll know that I just love these, and so many of you have actually reached out and asked me where these are from when I've been wearing them, because they're so beautiful. They are these heart-shaped hoop drop earrings. They have these gorgeous crystal hearts. These are the clear ones, but they also come in a couple of other colors, and I am definitely adding those to my wish list as well, because they have some red ones, which would be so perfect for Valentine's Day or for any time of day really. And then they also have a pinky hued crystal one as well. So the clear hearts are made of glass, and interestingly, I was reading the website and they actually come from dead stock from a former high-end brand, which I thought was really interesting. And really, I just loved the fact that they were using dead stock materials, because I hear about that in clothing. I hear about brands using dead stock fabric, but I've never really thought about brands using dead stock jewelry or materials like that before. But another really great sustainable initiative from Louise Damas, and these are my new favorite earrings. I've worn these so much already. I wear these every day. Doesn't have to be a special occasion. I just think they're so pretty. They're so girly. Again, a little bit vintage. And I just love the hearts. And I feel like I need them all. I need to get the red ones and the pink ones as well. One other thing I really appreciate about their earrings is they always use sterling 925 silver for the posts. So if you have allergies or you're sensitive to materials, then you'll be totally fine with their earrings, because they're always going to use the sterling silver on the ear posts that go through your ears, which I love. I think that's really important as well, to make the pieces as wearable for as many people as possible. And finally, speaking about making things wearable for as many people as possible, I have to talk about their rings, because these rings are adjustable. So they do come in, I think, 2 or 3 different sizes, but each ring is adjustable. So not only is it wearable for lots of different people of different sizes, but also you can adjust it to fit on different fingers depending on the look you want to have, which I love, because one of the hardest things for me about buying a ring and choosing a ring is committing to what finger I'm going to wear it on, because I have to pick a size and it's probably only going to fit one of my fingers. And sometimes I want to wear a ring on my middle finger, sometimes I want to wear it on my index finger, sometimes I want to wear it on my ring finger. So I love that you can adjust these slightly, you can bend them slightly, and they can fit a variety of different sizes, which I really, really love. And it's something that I haven't seen many brands doing, but I actually really appreciate. This first ring is the iris ring. This again is like a twisted design, a little bit like the first pair of hoop earrings I showed you, and you can wear this on a multitude of different fingers, but I tend to wear it on my middle finger next to my engagement ring. I really love that the tone of gold is very similar to the tone of my engagement ring, so it matches quite nicely. Also matches with the tone of gold in my watch, which is two-tone, that has gold in it. So I like that it all feels quite cohesive. And then this one is my favorite. This is a signet ring. Just got it on my ring finger on my right hand at the moment, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's really subtle still, because it doesn't have any gemstones in it. It doesn't have any like big designs or loud, I don't know, like patterns or anything. It's really beautiful. I'm going to say it again, but it feels very vintage inspired, feels antique inspired, and that is really what these pieces are designed to do. They're designed to feel like heirloom pieces. They're designed to be passed down, and I love that you can do that as well, because they are adjustable. So if you pass this down to someone one day and they are a different size to you, they can still wear it, which I think is really nice. And that is all the jewelry I have to show you today. I am fully decked out, fully adorned in all of these gorgeous pieces. I have so many more pieces from the brand on my wish list as well. Oh my gosh, these earrings. Stop, they are so beautiful. I'm definitely buying these next, and the heart earrings in the other colors are definitely on my wish list too. Let me know if you'd heard of Louise Damas before, if you like the pieces, if you're interested in checking out the Fauvette collaboration wallet jewelry holder. Personally, I think it's gorgeous. I think if you collect your jewelry, if you care about your jewelry, you travel a lot, or you just like to keep it safe, this is such a beautiful addition. And to have something in the high quality leather that Fauvette use, but for jewelry, is really special. So yes, absolutely love this as well. Now, of course, I didn't want to showcase all of this gorgeous jewelry without securing you a discount code, because that would be unfair of me. So I did really sneakily manage to get you a 15% off promo code, which was higher than I was expecting. So I'm really, really excited to share that with you. I will definitely potentially be using it myself to order those earrings, those heart earrings. But yeah, you can get 15% off with my promo code. I will leave it on screen. I will also leave it in the description box as well. I will link all of the pieces I've shown today, all of the jewelry pieces, the Fauvette collaboration jewelry holder, and I will leave links to Fauvette bags down below as well. If you want to check out anything I've mentioned today, would highly recommend. I'll leave all of the names of the pieces and the sizes in the rings I took just for reference. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll be making any purchases or adding any of these pieces to your wish list. I would love to know as always. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave some more videos on screen if you're not done watching. Otherwise, I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.